I bet you were sitting around today going, I wonder how we can write some equivalent quotients. That sounds like a lot of fun. So what in the world does that mean? What are some other ways we can write negative 4 over 5? Okay, well, we could write 4 over negative 5. What would happen if we did this problem? That would be 5 into 4, and you get 0.8, and the answer would be negative. Guess what would happen with this problem? The exact same thing. Yes, you're dividing by a negative, but what's a positive divided by a negative? You'll still get a negative. What if we put that negative on the very front? We just said the opposite of 4/5. Well, what's the opposite of negative 0.8? I mean, that's what we get. So when you look at these, there's different ways you can write it. The negative could be in the top, in the numerator. It could be the denominator. It could be out in front of it like a coefficient. But what about this? Is this the same? The answer is no. And the reason it's a no is because this one would end up being positive because you have a negative divided by a negative. That doesn't work. Now, could you do this and throw in a lot of negatives? Well, what's a negative divided by a negative? Yes, that's going to be positive, but wait a minute, whatever's out in front tells us the answer is negative. So, be very careful. Make sure you pay close attention to it. So let's try this one. 2 divided by negative 3. Well, you could also have negative 2 divided by 3, or you could have negative 2/3. All of those are different ways for writing it. Do not do negative 2 over negative 3. It's not the same because it's positive. All the other ones were negative.